Welcome. If you're experiencing issues with Pinterest not downloading photos on your PC, you're not alone. Many users encounter this frustrating problem, especially after updates. Fortunately, there are several straightforward steps you can take to resolve it. Let's dive into how to fix this issue. First, start by refreshing the Pinterest web page. Sometimes, a simple refresh can solve minor glitches. To do this, click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. This action reloads the page and may allow the images to download properly again. If refreshing doesn't work, try closing your browser completely and then reopening it. This can clear temporary issues that might be affecting the functionality of Pinterest. Next, it's crucial to check your internet connection. A stable connection is essential for downloading images. Look for the network icon in the notifications area of your computer. Click on it to see if you're connected to a reliable network. If you're using Wi-Fi, ensure that the signal is strong and stable. If necessary, switch to a different network or reconnect to your current one. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can help resolve various issues. To do this, press the Windows icon on your keyboard, then click on the power icon. Select Shutdown and wait for about 30 seconds before turning your device back on by pressing the power button again. This can refresh system resources and potentially fix any underlying problems. If you still can't download photos after trying these steps, consider asking the sender to resend the photo. There may be an issue with the original file or how it was shared. By following these steps, refreshing the page, checking your internet connection, restarting your device, and asking for a resend, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the downloading issue on Pinterest effectively. Thank you for watching, and we hope these tips help you get back to enjoying Pinterest without any hassles.